In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solidify an object using the Solidify modifier in Blender. Whether you're a seasoned 3D artist or a newcomer eager to expand your skills, this guide will help you add volume and detail to your models effortlessly. We'll begin by selecting the object that you wish to solidify. Make sure you're in Object mode, which you can confirm by checking the upper left corner of your 3D viewport. With Object mode active, simply right-click on the object that you want to add thickness to. Selecting the right object is crucial, as this is the foundational step upon which the rest of the process is built. Now, we will navigate to the Modifiers tab. You'll find this located in the Properties panel on the right-hand side of your Blender interface. Keep an eye out for the icon that looks like a wrench. This represents the modifier properties. Clicking on this will lead you to a panel where you can apply a variety of modifications, each offering unique ways of altering your object's geometry. Next, it's time to add the Solidify modifier. Locate the Add Modifier button within this panel. Once you click it, you'll see several options under a menu. From there, go to the Generate category and select Solidify. Adding a Solidify modifier will enable you to give your object a new level of depth, simulating the physical properties of solid objects, which is fundamental in creating realistic models. The next step is one of customization. Look to the modifier settings you just added, and you'll notice an option for thickness. Here is where you can adjust the thickness of your object. If you increase this value, your object will appear chunkier, while decreasing it will make it slimmer. Feel free to experiment until the thickness looks just right for your project. This flexibility allows you to achieve precisely the aesthetic or functionality you're aiming for. Equally important is the offset setting. This allows you to control the direction in which the thickness expands. A value of 0 will distribute the thickness evenly in both directions, which is often desirable for balanced symmetry. However, by experimenting with positive or negative values, you can make it solidify more towards one side, perfect for those instances where you need the thickness to emphasize a particular direction. Finally, if you're satisfied with how your object looks and want to make this change permanent, consider applying the modifier. To do this, click the down arrow located in the modifier panel and then select Apply. Remember, applying a modifier should be done with certainty. It finalizes your changes, making them uneditable in terms of modifier adjustments. Being thoughtful with this step ensures you maintain control over your workflow. By following these steps, you now have a solid foundation for using the Solidify modifier in Blender. Keep practicing, and you'll find it to be an indispensable tool in your 3D modeling toolkit.